talk to us about a PPC strategy, building something that'll be successful this year.
PPC is it has to make you money on the words, or it has to improve your organic rank. So if you see terms that you're making money on, you're profitable with every sale, then you want to spend more on it. But if you're losing money on those sales, but it's bringing you a significant amount of sales, there might still be a use for it. You have to look at your organic rank for the keyword and see, am I getting enough sales that last week I was in the 30th spot and I got sales on PPC from this term, but I didn't make money, but now this week I'm in the 20th spot, then you know that it's bringing you up organically. It's an investment in your listing. But if you're not making money and your organic rank is not increasing, there's no point of it. We don't want to sell things at a loss or for free. And I like to always start my listings off with auto campaigns. That's because when I'm building a listing, when I'm optimizing the listing, I'm making sure that I put in a lot of different keywords, long tail, short tail, Spanish, misspellings, all different things that the auto campaigns are going to feed off of. And I'm just going to see so many different words, so many different things that I might not have thought of. And, I'm going to find the perfect list. But once I see something that I know my listing is relevant for this term and there's a decent amount of search volume, I'm looking at my conversion rate and I'm saying, does this have a high conversion rate? If my conversion rate on this term is high, I should be spending a lot because then it'll bring up my organic rank.